First part, we're just gonna learn the lighting, and we go for perspective, how to select a subject, minimum, maximum, channels, blend if, color range, depths, clipping mask, depths, color, matching, shadow, lighting. Then we have two projects, inputting a baby and a different backdrops. Then we composite the photograph that we took in a studio of a bride and put it in a different location. Then we learn how to composite multiple images and create up in the air photo manipulation. Now it's time to show you how the compositing golden secret works. The next project is ballerina and a snake. We learn how to use glow effect, and we finish it with two final projects, Batman and the Warrior.